Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to create a password generator together. It's a great exercise for working with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. As you can see, the password generator code has features such as uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers and symbols. And you can even specify the length of the password string you want. It's not possible to disable all checkbox and at least one of the options must be enabled. If you're ready, let's go to the code. Before starting video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. In the first part, we will make HTML tags, and you know guys, this part is so easy. Only thing that we want having some HTML tags such as H2, checkbox, button and some other elements to make look better this project. After finish this part, we will make a style sheet for this project. In this part, we will make a style for this project to make it look better. This part is so easy and you can use this style sheet in your project. So guys, the main part of our code is this JavaScript section. To start, we will clear the console on every refresh. Fill the trailing color that you see when you drag the slider. Background, default range slider, background. Selecting the range slider container, which will affect the length property of the password. Text, which will show the value of the range slider. Using event listener to apply the fill and also change the value of the text. Selecting the range input and passing it in the apply fill function. This function is responsible to create the trailing color and setting the fill. Objects of all the function names that we will use to create random letters of password. It's a default method of the JavaScript. This method lets you get cryptographically strong random values. The array given as the parameter is filled with random numbers. And next part, all the below functions that are responsible to return a random value that we will use to create password. In the next part, we will select all DOM elements that are necessary. And so update CSS props of the copy button, getting the bounds of the result view box container. When generate button is clicked, then password ID will be generated. The responsibility of this function is generate password and then returning it. In the last part, we will make below function that handle the checkbox state, so at least one needs to be selected. The last checkbox will be disabled. Thanks guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day.